Today, let's move straight to South Africa, in the province of KwaZulu-Natal. The College of Nursing KwaZulu-Natal has opened or has announced the opening of their admissions applications for the year 2025. So this is the advert that they made available through their health department. Okay, so let's take a closer look at the advert and what you need to do so that you can apply and be enrolled for the upcoming academic year. Probably you want to study nursing in KwaZulu-Natal. So this is what it's all about. So this is the whole program. Okay, it's Diploma in Nursing. The NQF level is level 6. It's a 3-year program. You need to take a total of 3 years. Okay, 3 years for the program. So when it starts at 2025, you'll be completing in 2026, 27, and then 2028. Okay, it has a total credit hours of 368. Total credit of 368, and then the regulation governing this is R171, and this is the SACA ID number. Okay, so this is a legitimate program that you can enroll. Let's think carefully. Look at the minimum requirements prescribed by the advert. So pre-2008, that is before 2008. Before 2008, you should have a score. You have to score a maximum of 6 relevant highest score subjects on Matric / grade 12 certificate. Okay, yes, 6 relevant highest score subjects on Matric or grade 12 certificate. So, and you should have for grade 12, you should have a minimum of 25 points. Okay, you have a minimum of 25 points. So this is the table that will help you. So this is a higher grade and a standard grade. Okay, and then the various symbols signifying that for English, E higher grade or D in standard grade. So these are, and for biology, physics, chemistry, or physiology, these are, and then for mathematics, it's the same thing over here. Now when you go to the minimum requirements from 2008 upwards, okay, 2008 to date, you should also score a maximum of 6 relevant highest score subjects on Matric or grade 12 certificate. And then your National Senior Certificate, the NSC, Diploma, Pass, and above. You should have a minimum of 25 points. English level 4. Take note, home language, that is your local language. Any first additional language, you have L3. Okay, yes. And then maths, you need L3. And then for maths literacy, so if you have any one of these, you can still qualify. You need L5 for maths literacy. For life science or physical science, you need L4. Life orientation, you need L4, and any other 2 subjects. Take note, and any other 2 subjects. You have to take note here. You see, life orientation, that is what you have here. This particular life orientation here is mandatory at L4 and above, but will not be scored. Take note, the points will be calculated as follows. So this is how the points are going to be calculated. For NSC rating, NSC percentage, the points value for calculation of APS, and adjusted percentage for APS calculation. So this is how it's going to be like. So if NSC rating 7 is for 80 to 100%, okay, and points value for calculation of APS is still 7, and then the adjusted percentage for APS calculation is going to be from 80 to 89%. Okay, so these are the table that you can take a closer look at it and then compare it with your NSC results. Okay, so that you know what will be your APS and whatever, so that you know whether you qualify or not. Okay, whether you qualify or not. Now, when it comes to the application, remember this application is done online. It's done online. See, prospective learners are advised to apply online by following the KZN College of Nursing website link. So this is the official website link. Okay, we'll go there later. Okay, we'll take a look at that particular website so that you know what to do next. Now, these are the documents that will be needed to be uploaded. Okay, you need this document to be uploaded together with your application. First is a copy of your Matric certificate, Second, a copy of your identity document, your ID card document. Okay, proof of residence or any affidavit to prove that you reside a particular place. Then a signed affidavit from the Commissioner of Oath, clearly indicating that you have not previously benefited from the Department of Health bursary system at the KwaZulu-Natal College of Nursing. So you should also prove that you have never benefited from such program before. Take note of this. They are very serious about it. It's a failure to comply with the above instructions will disqualify applicants. Okay, failure. So if you fail to comply, so all these documents here, okay, you must meet them together with the academic qualification that you need. Okay, but if you fail, that automatically you are disqualified already. Now, this is what you are asked to take note of. So in case you submitted your application after everything, you have to take note of this. First, only shortlisted candidates will be required to submit certified and original documents following communication from the nursing campus. All certificates and addresses will be verified for authenticity. Okay, so when all the applications have been submitted by various people, they will have to be shortlisted. Okay, then some people will qualify, maybe they will meet all the qualifications. It's after that they will request for a certified and original documents. Take note of that. So if you look at the documents up here, they were looking for what? Copy. So if you are shortlisted, then they require certified and original document. Okay, so at this time they will request for those kind of documents in its original form. Then the second thing is that applicants must come from KwaZulu-Natal province. So take note of that. Very, very necessary. That is the reason why they are looking for your proof of residence. Okay, you must be a resident, okay, of KwaZulu-Natal province. Okay, must come from there. And then applicants currently registered for studies elsewhere will not be considered for admission. So if you are currently, at the time of your application, you are studying somewhere else, that one, case closed. You will not be allowed or you will not be admitted. Now the next thing says applicants who are currently receiving any other source of funding for study purpose will not be considered. So if you are receiving any bursaries whatsoever for the purpose of study, okay, yes, you will not be considered. It means that you are disqualified. Now, due to the larger number of applications expected, only successful applicants will be notified. So after going through all those applications, those who are shortlisted or those who qualify, they will be contacted. So they cannot contact everybody. If you miss any of the application documents or the requirements, nobody's going to call you. Okay, they will send you an email or telephone number or whatever. And then the last thing is that hand-delivered email or mailed applications will not be accepted. Take note of that. So please, you have to use their online system to apply for this. Okay, use the online system to apply for this. And then the last thing is that this is the closing date, 31st August 2024. 31st August 2024. So let's take a closer look at the website. Okay, so this is the website that they asked us to go. So online application for nursing training. Okay, so what you need to do here is this. You will come to apply for 2025. So this particular button here, you click on it. Okay, apply for 2025. So make sure that you have all your documents or copy of that scanned nicely. Okay, yes, so these are what I've just already talked about. Some of the things that you need to know all about the program. What's the whole thing about the program? Okay, so these are all the things that you're going to do as far as the program is concerned. All right, and then you click on continue. So you go down there and click on continue in that order. Okay, and then like that, and then you click on continue once again. So this is the advert and that. Now they will start asking you questions. So when did you complete your matric? Before 2008 or from 2008? So any year before 2008, meaning up to 2007, and then from 2008. So when you completed your matric, you choose. Let's say you completed in 2008, so you pick that one from 2008. Then you come here. Then you're going to select the subject. For English language, what kind of English language do you do? English home language, English first additional language, or English second additional language? You pick it up. And then you come to maths. Is it literacy or just mathematics? You come to life sciences. So you choose all the ones that you got. And then for each of the subjects that you choose the marks that you had. You see, you choose the marks that you obtain, which you show on your result slip. Then after entering all this one, and then you go to calculate. Okay, so the system itself is going to do calculation of that. The 25 points that we saw earlier. The system is going to do the calculation based on your submission. Okay, so if you do the calculation and realize that you fall beyond it, you don't qualify, then here it will tell you point blank that you don't qualify. I don't have the results, here, so I'll end here. So it's like that. So every information that you are needed to provide, please be provided. What there's a need to upload the document, make sure you scan the document nicely, okay, and then put them on your laptop or your computer or your phone if you're doing it on your phone. Okay, so when you request for it, just upload them accordingly, and then finally you submit. That's all.